Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make lemongrass tea. To make this lemongrass tea, I'll be making use of dried lemon leaves. You can also use the fresh lemon leaves. I'll be making use of 1 teaspoon of the lemongrass. So I'm going to add it into the cup. Lemongrass offers multiple health benefits. It will help to lower cholesterol, prevent infection, it will help to boost oral health, and also boost red blood cell level. So I'm going to use hot water to infuse the dried lemon leaves. When I'm done adding the hot water, I will stir to mix properly. Then I will cover and allow to infuse. After about 6 minutes, you can notice that the color of the tea has changed. So I'm going to strain to get the tea. I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. You can skip adding lemon juice. I hope you can see how easy it is to make your lemongrass tea. This tea will offer you multiple health benefits, and you need to take 1 cup of this drink a day. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.